Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another Subaru install. This time on this WRX instead of my STI. I did meant to order this part, not this part, but a part from WRX Daily for the STI. But since they were discontinued, got them to send me another part for the WRX this time, and it's the trunk spoiler because it definitely needs one. I was gonna get a gloss black one just so I could do everything gloss black, see how that turns out with the car. But I did get it in carbon fiber because I did have to match the price for the part that I was gonna get on the STI. So for the same price, got that. So it's carbon fiber spoiler, WRX Daily. So, cause yeah, I did want one. I was gonna get either the roof one or the spoiler, but you know I do have an STI spoiler sitting in the room right now. I went on the STI, same color and everything as this car, but I don't know. I just don't think these cars look good with that kind of spoiler. I think it needs a different type of spoiler. I also got a banner for the WRX. It's a black banner, just kind of something to cover the front windshield, and it's by Media, so I'll be throwing that on too. Just kind of give it that little love, but also the spoiler should make it look a little better because it is kind of looking kind of plain in the back. So I don't know. I think it covers from here to the other end. So yeah, it's gonna look pretty sick. Can't wait to put it on. I do want to start modding this WRX, but we'll see. Need some wheels, coilovers first, and then maybe a lip. And I want to change the grille, so I kind of want that kind of style of grille on this car. So we'll see. And I hope they make some vents like how that one is, but for this car. Yeah, kind of want to make it like a little brother kind of thing. Change out the everything, put fender flares because these things are ugly. I do want to paint the side skirt same color as the car. The back bumper, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Honestly, I think it looks okay. Painting it will probably be like how everybody's doing it, color matching just the top portion of it to the car. But at the same time, I don't want to do that because if I do decide to wrap it, this part will give me a pain. Will be a pain in the ass. So, has this a car how it is, even with the flares and the side skirt, I think will be so much better to wrap. Because I do plan to wrap this car. Not only does the wrap protect the car, the paint, sort of, you can say it depends on the wrap because of the glue or whatever can actually pull the clear coat out, kind of like how I did with the STI. But if you don't leave it on too long, I think Avery will not pull any clear coat, but any other brand probably will, because it just depends how tacky it is and how much heat you use. If you use enough heat, it won't pull the clear coat, but it actually protects the car, so especially the front end. So yeah, this, you know how Subaru paint is, so you definitely want to protect Subaru paint. But yeah, let me just get this box opened up and show you how it looks. All right guys, well there it is, just kind of mocked up on the car. Fits perfect. Does come with double-sided tape. Just have it held on by tape right now. But yeah, looks good. Just gotta clean up the surface area and then prep the tape on there, and it should be good to go. But overall, I like it. I think it's gonna look good on the car. Yeah. What do you guys think? But yeah, let me just throw it on, and then we'll take some pictures on the outside. But overall, I like it. I like how it sits on the trunk. Perfect fitment, not too much. Glad I got this one, and then soon I'll get the roof spoiler one, and then get a little diffuser going, and the back end will look a little much better. But overall, black hood, black roof makes it look pretty good too. So yeah, just need some wheels and coilovers, guys. Just kidding. I need a lot of things on this car. But anyways, yeah, let's just double side this thing and throw it on the car permanently, and then that's pretty much it for this video. And then put the banner on. I'll show you how the banner looks. But yeah, looks cool. But let's get it on. Alright guys, well there's the spoiler. Little low profile spoiler. Like I said, I did want to do the STI spoiler on this, but Not yet. Maybe later down the road, or maybe not. Who knows? But kind of want to get the wheels and everything looking nice first. Lower the car, lip kit and everything, exhaust, and then wrap the car, and then maybe we'll see. Because the spoiler on the STI is a hard one to wrap. I've seen people give up. I'll probably just get that one professionally wrapped, or maybe even just try to give it a try. But overall, I think this is fine. This looks good, especially from the back end. I'll take some videos at the end and show you guys how it looks outside. But overall, let me just throw on the banner on the car, just so we can get some shade in there. And then yeah, we'll be done with the car. So, all right, I'll be right back. All right guys, well there it is. The banner's on, the spoiler's on. Just need the car to lower it. I'm gonna do that right now. Just kidding. Once I get the coilovers and some wheels. But anyways, yeah. Overall, looks good guys. Just waiting to see more parts. Got a couple parts for the STI over there coming in soon. Since I didn't get it since I got that instead of the parts that I ordered, I reordered the parts but from a different place, and they already shipped it out. So it's not the same brand as the OLM, but you know, it'll do. I'm pretty sure it'll still look good. But oh no, that's not OLM, that's MRP or something like that from WX Daily. But yeah. But that's all I got for you guys. Just to spoil the banner. The banner's not even a mod, but you know, just something I wanted to do. I wanted to throw on this media since, you know, I want to support that guy. That guy does some sick ass videos, sick ass builds. But yeah, just kind of wanted to throw on banner on the car since I got one on the STI, and it does block the sun a lot better. So definitely recommend a banner for your car. I was gonna get the gloss Avery black just to match, but you know, oh well, looks good, matte black. But yeah, carbon fiber. Here on the road to more carbon fiber, I guess, because since I already started with this, might as well do the whole car. But overall, I like the spoiler. Kind of lifts the back end because it kind of looked kind of sad, but yeah, now it looks good. Definitely looking better than when I first got it. Now I just need an F1 light, full exhaust. So wheels, coilovers, exhaust, boom, done. Build is done. Moving on to another build next year. Just kidding. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. That's pretty much everything I got for you guys on this video, and then I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, peace out.